Today I wanna talk about Eid day. How was my Eid day, and with whom did I meet uh, Eid day, and also what did I do Eid day. Today I will share with you. First of all, I got a vacation from this institute, and who is named in practical English. So when I got a vacation, after that I bought ticket, and this bus name was welcome bus, and I used welcome bus when I was in the bus. After that that time maybe time was 7:30. So when 7:30 a.m. when I was in the bus, I at that time I faced a lot of problem because that day every person was going to his house. So also I was going to my house. So when I arrived to my house, that time I thought I should buy a ticket for me, because after it our class will be held. So that's why that time I bought one ticket, and this bus name was Shwag bus, and I bought the Shwag bus ticket. So when I went to my house, first of all I saw my mother face, and my mother asked me so many type of question, and after 3 months I saw my mother face. That time I was very excited, and also I was very happy. Each day I listened in our mosque announced as with the mic. At that time said in our Idgah Salat will be start 7 a.m. each day. So you have to every day, every person, if you wanna perform salah, every person we have to come. So each day I woke up early in the morning. So when I woke up early in the morning, that time I went to washroom and completing everything, and I took my bath. And then I do something. I did something, and when I complete everything, after that I wore my clothes. Actually, I bought my clothes from Dhaka city. When I was in the Dhaka city, that time I bought this type of dress. And after that I went to mosque. At that time I saw my neighbor, also my friend. And when I complete my Farfan Salah, that time suddenly someone stand up, and he said to us, if you complete your perform salah, after that if you go to your house without a khutbah, so you will have to listen khutbah. After that I was bound to listen khutbah. Then I took some photo with my friend and with my neighbor. Completing my photo, I went to in my house. Actually my district is famous for coconut juice, and just Eid festival day, because Eid is a big festival day for Muslim. So I drank this type of juice. Then I gave salam, and I got so many money from my mothers and from my neighbor, every person gave me lots of money. After that I went to my friend house, and I ate so many type of food, such as meat, and also sweet, and also juice, many types of food. And then we decided we would go to park, but suddenly outside was being rained. That's why we couldn't go to anywhere it day. But we went to market. Then we played a game together. And actually in our district, actually in our district it has lots of famous places, such as 60 mosque, and also Nidachor. Beside Nidachor, nearby Kuakata, and also beside in our Upazila has one restaurant, and it's called in our country Bhashaman restaurant. So I first of all we decided we would to go to there. But actually all the day in our district has rained. That's why I couldn't go to anywhere. After that when I was coming from market towards my house, that time I thought I should buy something from my mother, because my mother she didn't go to anywhere, because she is a woman, and she didn't get opportunity all the day. She worked for me, and also she cooked for me, because after 3 months I went to my house. That's why she was very excited. So I thought I should bought something for my mother. I bought something for my mother. And when I brought something food for my mother, that time my mother also she was very happy. First of all, I bought something. That time my mother said to me, when you will earn money, lots of, that time you will buy something for me. That time I said, yes. Also, I will dream when I, first of all, I will earn money. First earn money, I will give my mother and my parents. So it was my Eid day, and this type of way I passed my Eid day.